Hello friends, my name is Vanshita and you're watching my channel TechRight Education. In this video, I am going to discuss about router backup and restore, how to configure backup on TFTP server and how to restore backup from TFTP server. So let's begin our session. So for router backup, I need a router and a server. After this, I will establish connection between them. Now what I will do, I will simply assign IP addresses on both of the devices. So for assigning IP address, what I need to do, simply I will go on router, its CLI mode. Then here it will ask that would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog. So here you will write that is no and press enter. After this you will enter in user mode. So for going in privilege mode, what you need to do, you will simply write a command that is enable. And then for going in global configuration mode, you will need to write a command that is config t. Now here you can see that you entered in global configuration mode. So first change the host name. So I am changing the host name to R1. Now you can see here that the host name gets changed. So for assigning IP address, what you will do, you will simply write a command that is interface fast ethernet 0/0. After this you will write a command that is IP address. Here I want to give IP address that is 10.0.0.1 and the subnet mask is this, and press enter. After this you will write here no shut for making its state up. IP address is successfully assigned on router. Now I will assign IP address on server. So for assigning IP address on server, what I need to do, I will simply go on server, then desktop, then IP configuration. Then after on server, I want to give IP address that is 10.0.0.2. When I click on subnet mask, it will take automatically. Then close it. Guys, if you are not able to see these interfaces, so don't worry, simply go on options, preferences. Here you can see this one that is always show ports label in logical workspace. If I disable this, then you can see here I am not able to see interfaces. So guys, I suggest to enable this, then you are able to see these interfaces. Close it. I suggest whatever IP you have given on particular interface, mention it here, so that you will easily remember it. So go on this and mention the IP. So I have given IP here 10.0.0.1 and here I have given 10.0.0.2. I have done some basic configuration on router, that is I have changed its host name, I have given IP address on router. So for creating backup, what I need to do, I will simply go on router, its CLI mode, exit from here. Simply I want to go to privilege mode. So for taking backup, I need to write a command that is copy running config startup config. So what is the meaning of this particular command? The meaning of this particular command is that I am copying my whole running configuration to startup configuration. What is a startup configuration? A startup configuration is stored in a non-volatile memory of a device, which means that all configuration changes are saved even if the device loses its power. What is non-volatile memory? It is permanent memory, and here data cannot be deleted until we delete the data. When I hit enter, then it will ask that you want to change the destination file name. If you want to change the destination file name, then simply write the another name, otherwise simply press enter. Now I have created my backup, whatever commands I have run previously. So what I need to do for checking it, I will simply go to physical, zoom in from there. I will turn off the router button. Then again power on. I will go to CLI. Now here I can see that the router is again reloading. You can see here none of our configuration gone, as my router name is R1, which I have given previously. Why it is possible? Because I have taken backup of it. If I not run the command, that is copy running config startup config, then what will happen? When I power off the router button and then again power on, I will lose all of my configuration. If you want to test it, so test it by yours. If you face any problem, then you can ask me with the help of comment box and also with the help of my Telegram group, that is Tech Queries. If you want to see the IP address which I have configured before on the port fast Ethernet 0/0, so simply you need to go in privilege mode and type a command, that is show IP interface brief, and hit enter. Here you can see that I have assigned IP address, that is 10.0.0.1 on fast Ethernet 0/0. It doesn't lose. I have my IP address because I have created backup of it. When you not run the command, that is copy running config startup config, then you will lose all the configuration when you power off router button and then again power on. When you run this command in configuration mode, then what you need to do, you will simply write do before show. How? Just see it. I am going in configuration mode and I want the same result as it is. So if I want to run this command in configuration mode, so what I will do, I will simply write do show IP interface brief and hit enter. You can see here I get a similar result. But if I run this command in configuration mode, that is show IP interface brief, then it will not work. So when I will run this command in privilege mode, so I will use show IP interface brief, and when I will run this command in global configuration mode, then I will use do show IP interface brief. Suppose I want to again change the host name of the router, so I will run a command, that is host name. This time I want to give the name, that is R5, and hit enter. Now my host name changes to R5. Now this configuration I want to save. What command I will run? I will run do wr and hit enter. When I will run this wr command in privilege mode, then I will use only wr. But when I will use this command in configuration mode, then I need to write do before wr. Similarly, if I use my copy running config startup config command in configuration mode, so I need to write do before copy, then it will work in configuration mode, otherwise it will not work. Now I have saved my this particular host name by writing a command, that is wr. So how I will check? I will simply go on physical, power off the router button, then again power on, go to CLI. You can see here it's reloading again. Now the result should become R5 when it's login. You can see here whatever configuration I have changed, it's changed by writing a command, that is wr. Now if you want to configure backup in TFTP server, so what you need to do? Simply enable, then you need to write a command, that is copy running config to TFTP. What does this command means? This command means that you are copying all the running configuration to the TFTP server. When you hit enter, Then it will ask for address or name of remote host. What does it means? It means that tell the location where you want to create your backup. So I want to create a backup on the server, and the IP address of server is 10.0.0.2. When I will hit enter, then it will ask that you want to change your destination file name. So if you want to change your destination file name, then give here new name, otherwise no need to change. So I want to change, I want to give the name that is Vanshita so that I can easily identify. I will hit enter, then it will show that writing running configuration where to TFTP server. So how to check it? Simply close this window and remove this router. I have removed this router. Now what I will do, I will take a new router. I have taken a new router. So first I need to make physical connectivity with the server. Then I need to assign IP address on the particular router which I have newly added. So I will go to CLI. Then I will write a command that is config-t for going in global configuration mode. Then I want to assign IP address on fast Ethernet 0/0. So I will write a command interface fa0/0. Then IP address, I want to assign which IP address, that is 10.0.0.1 and its subnet mask. Then I will write here no shut. Now I will exit from there. First go to server and see that whatever backup I have taken, it's available on that or not. So I will go to server and click on services. Then I will go to TFTP because I have configured backup on TFTP. Then I will scroll down. I can see here that I have created a file that is Vanshita is available here. I want to now again take this file to the router for restoring. So what command I will run? I will go to router. If I need to run copy command in configuration mode, so what I need to do, I will simply write do copy TFTP running config. So what this command means? This command means that I want to copy my TFTP configuration to running configuration so that I get my whole configuration. After taking restore, what it gives result? It gives result that this particular router name changes to R5 as I have configured its host name R5. So when I hit enter, it will ask that from where you want to copy your file. So here I need to give the IP address of server because I need to copy all the configuration from server. So I will write 10.0.0.2 and hit enter. After this, it will ask for source file name. So I will write Vanshita because I have changed the file name to Vanshita and hit enter. It will ask, do you want to change destination file name? So I don't want to change. I will simply hit enter. What it is saying, that it is accessing TFTP server. Now it has successfully done. When I will hit enter, now you can see here its name changes to R5. Why? Because I have taken restore. Previously its host name was router when I have not taken any restore from the TFTP server, but now it changes to R5. Why? Because I have taken restore. In this way you can create backup on TFTP server, and if your device creating any kind of issue, then you can replace your device and take restore from the particular server. Guys, if you like a video, press like button, share to your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, then ask with the help of comment box. You can also ask with the help of my Telegram group, that is Tech Queries. And you can also join my Telegram channel, that is Tech Writer Education, for the purpose of new updates related to videos, notes, questions. Thank you guys.